We would like to give a very special thanks to MGA for sending us 2 of these dolls. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Today we are taking a look at Na 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 Surprise Series 2. What? Series 2 already? Didn't Series 1 just come out around the holidays? I haven't even opened all of Series 1 yet. Well, there's no time like the present. Push here to open it up. Take this part out. Don't forget the included paper straw. Insert the straw. Inflate. Carefully peel away the top and squeeze. Tear open the bag to get your Na 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 surprise, along with some other goodies, like clothing and shoes. There is a collector's poster with all of the characters in this collection, and it shows you their symbol at the bottom that shows you who is inside of each package. So you don't have to get doubles if you don't want to. Inside of the tiger we have CJ Cuddles, wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and black shoes. The triangle is Roxy Foxy, and this one is Brittany Sparkles. Her dress makes a perfect Barbie top. Now that we have completed our Series 1 collection, we can start on Series 2. In Series 2, the container has a different color. It's a hot pink. The doll on the front is wearing a blue bunny outfit. We have new symbols. This one is a moon shape or a crescent, and here is a paw print. Let's start with the crescent. Push down the top, remove the bag and the straw. Insert the straw. Did you notice that the color is different? It's now blue. Inflate the bag. Oh no! Don't inflate it too much, because, you know, you mess up the whole confetti surprise thing. Oh well. Continue to open the bag and take out a giant cat face, 2 surprises, and the collector's guide, showing 6 new characters to collect. Let's open the first surprise to see the fashion. Ooh, it's a dress. And the other one is a pair of shoes. Let's open the little bag. Take out the plastic insert to reveal the doll. She has 2-tone purple hair. It is styled into 2 braids. She wears purple undergarments and white cat socks. Here she is, fully dressed. She wears a black fuzzy hat with cat ears, a dress that has a white shirt with a cat face. It's all one piece. The skirt on the dress has layers, and she finishes her look with purple shoes. Each doll comes with a collector's tag that has their name, birthday, and a short bio. My name is Tuesday Meow. My birthday is October 31st. I want to stay home and not do things. I need a way to display her, so I glue the straw onto a 3x5 piece of foam board. First, I filled the straw with a little hot glue, then put a nice little dab onto the foam board. Now we have to hold it in place for a few seconds. Sprinkle on a little confetti to make a quick doll stand to display the doll. Tuesday Meow and Mina Moody are sharing some similar colors. Let's open the one with the paw print next. The confetti makes a fun visual, but it's a mess. Inside of the paw print package, we found a fuzzy little dog that belongs to Michael Manchester. He comes wearing undies and some socks. Whoa, check out his outfit. I think this outfit just kind of raised the bar a little. It's a green sweatsuit with gold details, a stripe on the side, a dog t-shirt, and a pair of shoes. I had to see if it could fit our Barbies. The jacket looks pretty good. It's a little crop jacket. The t-shirt is very short, and the pants become shorts. The shirt is a good size for OMG dolls. The pants stop a little past the knees, and they're kind of wide at the waist. But with the jacket on and everything, I think we could totally get away with it. You know, MGA, it would be awesome if you made fashion packs that were compatible across your lines. Just throwing that out there. So here are our 2 new characters that MGA sent us from Season 2. They have a suggested retail price of $19.99 and are available in March. Wait a minute. It's March now. Let's go to the store! Bam! I went to my local Walmart and they were all on the shelves. Every single one. They were $19.88 each. Walmart gives you a little bit of a discount. We have the Snowflake, a diamond-like shape, a cloud, and an arch, or like a rainbow. Starting with the diamond shape, there is a pink cat inside that belongs to Catherine Whiskers. Her hair feels thinner than some of the other dolls. It's a mauve to pink color. The mauve strands are shorter, the pink ones are longer, so it kind of gives an ombre effect. She wears pink and black undergarments, fishnet socks. She wears a short black shirt with a metallic print on the front, a pink ruffle skirt with a black bow, and purple cat shoes. The cloud is next. I think this is a monkey? Inside, we have Nina Nanners wearing pineapple undergarments. Her hair is a blend of pink and orange. She comes with a banana top that has faux buttons in the front, a bow at the bottom, ruffled sleeves, and a collar. A pink and blue striped skirt with a ruffle at the bottom and printed leaves on the sides. And she wears wedge shoes. Her look is very colorful. Opening the rainbow symbol, it's a fluffy white mouse with Misha Mouse inside. Her undergarments have a cheese print. She wears lace socks and has long, wavy brown hair. Here she is, fully dressed. She wears a pink satin dress with roses and polka dots, mouse-themed high heels with a nose and whiskers on the front, and little ears in the back. Our last doll is the Snowflake. So this is our last confetti surprise. Whee! We have a blue bunny this time that holds Aspen Fluff. She has long white hair with tinsel strands, wears icy blue undergarments, and bunny socks. Her outfit is kind of thick. It reminds you of a puffy coat. If you turn it over to the back, you can really see it. But once you get it on, it's kind of adorable. It has little felt bunny ears in the front, and she wears matching blue shoes with fur around the top. And there's a little bunny tail in the back. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of tinsel and doll hair, but that's just a personal preference. She has a similar skin tone to Sarah Snuggles. Sarah has a little bit of a warmer color. All of the other dolls have a similar complexion. Except for Tuesday Meow, I think she's a little lighter. These dolls are articulated. They can move at the head, rotate at the shoulder, and move at the hip, giving them the basic 5 points of articulation. I like that these are fabric dolls. They kind of remind me of some of the handmade dolls you may find on Etsy. Standing under 8 inches tall, their hair is attached to their hats, and their hats are attached to their heads. Their faces are printed onto the fabric, and they're all pretty similar, except for their eye color. I like the little details in their clothes, like her faux buttons and the metallic print used on her shirt, but Michael Manchester takes the cake for my favorite outfit. It's 3 pieces. I like the print, the gold foiling, the stripes on the side, and he has little cuffs on the ends of his sleeves, the top of his pants, and at the bottom. The only thing I wish I would have seen is a wider variety of skin tones. The lineup is pretty similar to the first season, but I am very happy that we were able to complete our collection. I really like the idea of fabric dolls. This line has me feeling a little creative. Maybe we can try to make one in another video. Let's put that on the idea board. This is definitely a line that can appeal to collectors of all ages and maybe inspire all you crafty people out there. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Series 2 for Na 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 Surprise. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Break up and make up, get down and get